Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are, garage again. There's the S10. We got this motor for it. If you've been keeping up on the videos, you know that I've had this motor for a few weeks, and basically where I'm at now, I've got the LS3 heads on there, good old rec ports. Today, I'm basically just going to be throwing everything on there that I can, all the parts I've got. Got the oil pan, the Melling high pressure oil pump, probably check the valve, the rod length, push rod length, so I can get those on the way, and then all the front cover stuff. Got the cam in there, so the cam gear, chain, like I said, the oil pump, the front cover and gasket, and then the ATI super damper, all that stuff. So probably just get to work, probably not do a lot of talking here, just some recording. Figured you guys would want to see it coming together. Well, that's going to be about it for now. I was going to get that ATI super damper on. Didn't realize that there's a specialty bit you got to have to put the bolts in. Also, I can't find my bolt that goes over here that you use to actually press it on. I might be able to get away with just using the ARP bolt, since it does have this little recessed, depending on if that washer goes in or not. But either way, I'm gonna wait until I can get these guys Loctited and threaded in. So for now, that'll have to stay off, but that'll just be a quick job later. Same with this dipstick. Probably gonna use one of the bolts to bolt it in here, and I guess just have it pointed off the back. It's not the most convenient, but up here it's gonna be right next to the exhaust manifolds and that stuff. So probably just bolt it back here, but this bolt hole needs to be drilled out. It's not quite big enough yet, so I'll get that drilled out and just boring stuff like that. But pretty good progress. Oil pan's on, heads are on, head gaskets, valley cover, front cover. Yeah, I'm reusing the cover. It's ugly, but I cleaned it up, and that's, you know, the goal is functionality, not prettiness. But even though I say that, I do like these LS3 dudes. They're pretty sweet, pretty shiny new. Anyway, if you want to keep up with the build, feel free to subscribe, like the video if you like the video, and I will see you around.